Welcome. My name is CUBOT X20 and today I'll show you how to wipe cache partition on this phone. And to get started, you want to power it off. Now once the device turns off, you then want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. So power and up. Let's wait for it to turn off. And there we go. So let's hold both of these keys right now, and once you see the CUBOT logo, let go of the power key but keep holding volume up. And when you see the recovery mode, you can let go of the volume up key as well. So from here, using both volume keys to navigate, as you can see, volume down goes down and up will go up. You want to use those in order to select wipe cache partition, confirm it with power key, select yes, and there we go, cache wipe complete. Reboot system now will be selected by default, so press power key once more and this will take you back to Android. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.